afternoon. Today is 27th March and I am traveling today to a dream destination which is Manali. So my bags are packed, I'm ready to go. I'm just waiting for my cab and I'll be down to Shialda station to take the Shialda Rajdhani to Delhi, and I'll have a few hours of halt in Delhi. Basically I'll go and meet my son who's in Gurgaon and then travel to Manali. This time I'm traveling by a bus, Laxmi Travels, which is a Volvo 9600, and this is purely a budget trip and it's a solo trip. So there'll be a lot of informations I'll be sharing with you all during the trip, and there'll be a series of videos which I'll come out with. So I'm sure you're going to find it exciting and informative if you're planning a budget trip to Manali. So thank you, stay tuned with us, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this video. Very good morning friends. Today is 20th March and right now I'm in the New Delhi railway station. The train was right on time. Now I have to figure out how to proceed to the metro station. This is the first time I'm doing this. Since it's a budget trip, I'll be traveling by metro to Gurgaon. I would request you to watch this video till the end. This will give you some information and insight how you can travel by Delhi metro, and hope you will find it interesting and informative. So I'm just about to enter the Delhi Metro building. Friends, I have reached Sikandarpur. I need to get out of the station and get an auto. My son's place is quite close. It will take about 5 to 7 minutes to reach. I'll get few hours of rest, freshen up, and then head for my destination Manali. So I request you to stay tuned, watch the video till the end. If you like this video, do share this video with your friends. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for joining in. Keep watching. Enjoy. Friends, the time is 5:30. I've reached the MG Road metro station. I'm going to take a metro from here to Kashmere Gate, from where I'll board my Volvo bus to Manali. I request you to keep watching this video. This will give you a lot of information, particularly if you're planning to travel from Delhi to Manali on a budget. There are a lot of options of traveling to Manali, but traveling by bus is not only convenient and comfortable, but it is also very cost effective. Friends, I have reached Kashmere Gate metro station. Now I have to figure out how to get out of the station and also locate the bus terminus from where I'll board my Laxmi Holidays Volvo 9600. Laxmi Holidays also have an office. I came to know where there's a waiting area where you can wait for the bus, because my bus is at 8 p.m. I need to spend some time. I need to grab a drink and relax. So you need to take this escalator and go up and then turn right. Don't turn left, you have to move towards the right, where you have most of the bus companies operators office out there, and most of the places you have a small waiting area. Otherwise outside also there is quite a bit of space. So here is the Laxmi Holidays office, and if you want to grab a drink or buy some food, there's some food counters and outlets out here also. You can see a lot of people are waiting out here right now. Finally, I got in my Volvo 9600 of Laxmi Holidays. This is a very nice, clean, good bus. I'll be making my journey in this bus to Manali. This time my video will be till the bus stand, and my journey is about to start. In the next chapter, I will cover the journey from Delhi to Manali. So stay tuned, wait for my next chapter. Before it gets too late, I request you to subscribe to my channel, like my video and share my video with your friends. So wait for my next chapter, a journey from Delhi to Manali by Volvo 9600 of Laxmi Holidays. So if you're planning to travel to Manali, Volvo is certainly a good way to travel. It is a very cost-effective way. Watch my journey, you'll get a good idea about the various facilities which you have in the bus, the restrooms on the way, the restaurant, the bus stops for dinner, the kind of cost you can incur for a meal out there. I'm going to cover it all, but you need to wait for the next chapter. It's time for me to say good night. My bus has already started on its way to Manali. So stay tuned, wait for my next chapter. I'm going to share with a lot of information with you all. So don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel and share my video with your friends. A very good night.